It's your fault for coming here. Who tell you to come here? This is a Samoan thing. It's not a Palangi thing. You stupid people. Ya pawayanga ngangwe loe pakele. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, is the cake is to the knife go inside and the cake will go into two half. Yeah, amate masio falitua. Yeah, very nice. Where is the polo? Yeah, le upuna falualo knife. Afa palangi, where is the poro or the poro? Yeah, tanofie kipi tete, keke ngai piko ilunga. Kipi se lua fas keke, ya mata matatu le ofia nala sele keke walkie. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, ready to rumble. Alright. Now what tipi na tanole mai se vaengon keke. Oh yeah. What a beautiful song. Ya, avelesi afatulesi fasimele limao. Amate tulesi fasimele limao. Yeah. And then you look at each other's eyes face to face. Amate, look at Elena's eyes. Into her eyes. Ya, ona tuule lesi ol faskeke ile fofonga olesi. 1, 2, 3, go. Pati mai. I missed that one. Ya, oleh fasol tato keke ile fasolonga lo ilunga nei.